Hello everyone, Anna here. Originally I'm from Ukraine and today I'm sitting at my home in Amsterdam. In this video I'm going to unbox the Goodiebox limited edition in collaboration with Ecooking. I ordered this box 2 days ago and guess what? In those 2 days I got spoiled big time. I hate spoilers a lot. Well, for example, when I was one day late with watching Game of Thrones episode, I would not go on social media. I would try to avoid big groups of excited with life students who are talking about everything. If I suspect that people are going to talk about Game of Thrones, no matter what they say, I would just not listen to them. Just trust no one, they are gonna spoil. But I am not sure I'm willing to go so far for the Goodiebox, so I got spoiled. But before we go further with my favorite part, unboxing, I would like to give you some feedback about the August Goodiebox. Let's start with this foot scrub. I don't know what it's supposed to do, but I feel that it makes my feet visibly cleaner, so it became a part of my shower routine. Some masks I like, some I don't. For example, this mask was very nicely tight on my skin, so it was not over my eyelids or over my lips. It felt very good and tight, good fit, yeah? But after 15 minutes, you are supposed to take it off and not rinse. That meant for me that for a few hours my skin was super sticky and I just didn't like it. In the last box we received one very expensive product. It's this jade roller. If you ask me, did it work? Well, my answer is I don't care. This jade roller is a part of culture of the whole country, and I'm always grateful when I have an opportunity to experience the culture of another country. It's just the way it moves, the material, the ritual itself. I am glad that this product was in my goodie box. But on the other hand, let's talk about quality. One thing I always expect from a goodie box is quality. So this jade roller is supposed to retail for 48 euro. And in less than a week when I was drying it with my towel, it broke like this. This part is not supposed to be removable. So that upsets me a lot. I guess I will have just to glue it. No big deal for me, but imagine if you bought it in a store for 48 euro. You come home and it just breaks like a cheap toy. I guess you would be furious. But then again, I didn't buy it for 48 euro. I will just glue it. Now, let's start with unboxing. So here we have a very nice white box. It's the first time I received the white goodie box. 2 times we received it in pink color and maybe sometimes something else, but it's the first time it's white. Also there is a very nice gray dots pattern and it's a collaboration with Ecooking, as I already mentioned. So let's open it. Here we have a card. The wisdom of the day is: self-indulgence is also about how we start and end our day. Indulgence is... Here we have some card for a peel mask, but I have an idea that it belongs to some product inside, so let's just start. The first product I want to open is the one which I got spoiled with. Of course, when I saw the photo on Facebook, I recognized this product because we already received it. And it's a cleansing gel in a full size. Here is the one I received before. It was apparently smaller, but still I didn't use it a lot. It's a cleansing gel, so I guess you use it for removing your makeup, and I'm not such a hardcore user of makeup. Maybe I just didn't put it to enough of testing. This cleansing gel contains vitamin E and cucumber extract. Just work the gel into your hands and apply on your face and neck in the morning and in the evening. It promises to have the nourishing effect and it's suitable for normal and oily skin. After use, please rinse with water. These go to my sister. Okay, it's a day cream. Let's see, maybe I will use it and I hope it works for me. This day cream comes in a try out size. It's an intensive moisturizing cream made in Denmark, 15 milliliters. And here we have a moisturizing mask which you can sleep with. This moisturizing mask comes in a tryout size. It's intensive moisturize boost. Wear for 10 minutes or sleep with it overnight. I like to wear mask overnight and I'm looking forward for good results. I will definitely use it these weeks. Here we have a lip balm. I love lip balms, but when I opened the box, it's a bit... You see it melted on the top. It upsets me a bit. This is an extremely moisturizing lip balm for dry skin and lips with organic argan oil and shea butter. Yes, here is the product we received this card for. It's a peeling mask. Apply this peeling mask on clean skin and remove with lukewarm water. There is a note that you may experience a stinging feeling during the use as well as redness after application. Well, that does not sound good. You should apply it for 10-15 minutes and then remove and put a lot of cream on your face. So I guess now I'm glad I received this day cream because that is what I'm gonna put after I use this peel mask. Let's see. And the last product in this box is this overnight foot cream. Oh my god. Oh. Well, it says that it's Beauty Shortlist Awards, whatever it means, 2020. Let's hope it's a super nice product. I've never used it, never heard about it, but there is the first time for everything. This overnight foot cream is created to work its magic whilst you sleep. It's suitable for all ages and skin types. Apply the overnight foot cream before bedtime and let the remaining cream stay on your hands as a night mask. It contains several oils. I will definitely give this product a try the following weeks. That was it about the limited edition goodie box in collaboration with Ecooking. All those products are made in Denmark, which always makes me happy when the products are not made in China. I will use almost all of those products. Some I will send to my sister and some maybe I will open much later. But the conclusion is I'm happy with this box. You can buy this box for 35 euro at Goodiebox.nl. But I got it for 22 because I used my goodie points, which I received after I gave some feedback for previous products. Very easy, very helpful, and this program works good for me. That was it for today with unboxing the goodie box. I am very happy you shared this video with me. Consider to subscribe for my channel. I will upload more videos. I hope I will see you there. But for now, have a good day or night. This is part of the whole culture of another. It is just the way it moves, the material itself.